Praxium AI converts technical documents, hundreds of pages like this and this, into multimedia e learning content like this. The atomic unit of learning of Praxium AI is called a praxis, with one key learning objective. Each praxis has a headline, a visual, the learning text, and source references. One visual format are figures, which are automatically extracted from the source document using a vision language model and semantically matched to the learning objective. You can swap the figure with any other document extracted figures. There are other formats as well. You can also generate an interactive conceptual diagram or replace it with a different diagram you can choose to teach the concept better. Or you can use the slide, in this case, an interactive slide. Multiple visual formats, such as these, are all designed to support visual learning. Important objectives come with scenario based, ungraded inline practice exercises, hence the name Praxium. We believe practice is the best form of learning. Exercise include fill in the blank, matching and ordering, predict before reveal worked examples, with a final scenario based quiz that tests problem solving, decision making, troubleshooting, etc. You own the content. You can edit and undo the changes if you don't like them. You can also share it socially or download a zip in an agent friendly format that you can upload to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or your multimedia tool of choice to generate branded content. Marketing and sales love this feature. Multiple praxis are composed into a logical structure to form a single page lesson, a set of closely related objectives targeting one higher level skill. Each lesson is summarized at the top by a distraction free narrated video about 3 to 5 minutes long, stitching together the visuals.
Emphasize to learners that this isn't a simple teardown. The sequence exists for specific.
Lessons combine into modules targeting even higher level skills. A typical course contains 8 to 12 modules, each taking about 10 to 20 minutes. All content is personalized for a specific persona. Here, the persona is a service technician. Change it to, say, a new sales rep, you will get a different course. For each persona, we build a complete skill model that links the persona from high level instructional goal down through objectives and individual practices, giving you a clear line of sight from atomic learning to high level skill. The critical question for any technical content is, how can we verify that this is accurate? Every praxis carries source references. Click it once and it surfaces the most relevant sentences used to derive the content. Click again and it pinpoints the passage in the source document. Agentic quality control processes cross-check the content and rework inaccuracies, making verification easy enough for you to trust the result. You can go further. From any reference, you can jump directly into the exact location in hundreds of pages of source material. Explore neighboring chunks or chat with the document, enabling deeper discovery based learning. What is the number 2 and what is the significance of that? And when you're done, return to the course and resume where you last let off. This is best experienced with your documents and a persona tied to your learner. Request access at getpraxium.ai or email pk@getpraxium.ai with your documents and we'll demo a course built on your actual use case.